everyone. Welcome to the live stream. How can I assist you today with your trading? Of course, Philip. Making money is the goal. How can I assist you in your trading endeavors today? Do you have any specific questions, or would you like me to provide you with an analysis of the EUR-USD pair?
What is going on in the world of trading? And my camera is dead again. Why is that so? Let me try to reboot it. Oh my god. If I ever solve this everlasting problem with the camera, I'll be so happy. However, until then, it's a little bit of mystery. There we go. Why is it moved again? Let's go a little bit up here. There we go. Sounds good. Sounds and looks good. Hello everybody, how's it going? So another day.
Our system has identified a likely signal
another
for
streaming session. Let's go right in. Let's see what do we have. I've got my coffee here. I got everything I need.
Hello, Philip. Based on the current trend, it appears that GBP/USD is in a short-term uptrend. The recent 5-minute data shows that the price has been gradually increasing and the RSI is above 50, indicating bullish momentum.
Okay.
Additionally, the 1-hour data also
What's
suggests
up everyone?
a slight
How's it
bullish
going?
bias.
Let's go. Let's do
Considering
some
this
trading.
trend, a potential trading scenario could be to open a long position on GBP/USD. Here is my suggested course of action. Entry price. Since the price is currently at around 1.27365, I recommend entering the trade at around 1.27370. Take profit. You could consider taking profit at the R2 Fibonacci level, which is around 1.27426.
So we go for buy right away. Okay, that's cool.
Acts as a strong
That's
resistance
cool.
and could be a potential target
Let's
for your
do it.
trade.
Let's
Stop
do it.
loss. To mitigate potential losses, I suggest placing a stop loss at the S1 Fibonacci level, which is around 1.27302.
7426,
If the price moves below this level, it may invalidate the bullish trend and signal a potential reversal. Please.
Let's go. So I just opened a buy on this position. Looks good actually, because we could get to seems like there is one zone, right? So it could go all the way to here. And we're already winning. That's so cool. So let me go with trading here. Let's switch to okay, where is the camera? Let's go. I've got a camera. And I also need this one here. So as the toolbox. So as you can see from yesterday, actually most of the trades are done at yesterday's stream. So let me just go here, history, custom period, and let's go today, and I'll pick 1 day less. So as you can see, we closed this one. That was the stocks, basically hedging with no purpose. And after that, we went for Forex, and look, everything actually played out well, except for one trade that is still hanging on there, as that's New Zealand dollar. And now we already have a dollar plus on the British pound. That's really quick. What's happening with the New Zealand there? What did we do? What was the bad decision here? So yesterday we opened 20:53. So where is the time? 20. Today's 22nd, 20. So it was around here. I see. Yeah, we are open in here. And we wanted to get to, what is the take profit? 167. So around, we wanted to get around here. We actually, we were there for a little bit. I remember we had this this ticker in plus, but they bailed on us. What happened? Wow. That doesn't look good. We'll talk with the AI about it. We have an open position from yesterday at around 0.59 184. What do you think we should do with it? So as you can see, the AI is capable of answering different questions for you. Even like, I've got this trade open. What should I do? Help me. Save me.
Is already in profit. It would be wise to consider taking some profits off the table. Based on the recent price action and feedback.
We forgot to tell the AI that we are actually shorting the position, not longing. So
Bonds to the R1 Fibonacci level.
oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. The position is actually short, so we are in sell, and we are actually we are losing there.
It is important to always manage your risk.
I love how it even added the 3 dots here. That's so cool. Oh my god, my lights went off. What happened?
If your position is currently in a loss,
jeez, let me fix that.
Have a plan to manage the risk.
What's wrong?
Based on the current market conditions and Fibonacci levels, I would suggest considering an exit strategy to limit further losses.
Okay.
You may consider setting a stop loss at a price level above your entry point to protect.
Seems like I'll have to improvise. Sorry guys, a little bit of bad lighting here.
It would depend on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. However, you could
for whatever reason
above the R1 Fibonacci level, which is approximately at 0.59488.
For whatever reason, my new setup for the lights here, so I'm kind of upgrading this as I go. And I'm using a power bank because I don't have supply there. I don't have like an outlet. So I was like, oh, I bought these LED lights from IKEA, which are, you know, good pricing for what you get. And I put it on a shelf there, and I put a power bank there, and the power bank just died. Yeah, it's a mess, but I'll work on that. So anyways, what did the AI told us? 9488. So how are you consistently about? You may entry point to protect your capital. Stop loss. So she is suggesting to go for stop loss over here. I don't know. Let's live with the trade. We will see how it goes. Let's live with the trade, and we will see. So we were here, and we are now here, and we will see how it goes. So what about the British? Let me see how it goes. So the AI was suggesting to go for take profit to around 426, which is almost there. 426 is just around here. So we are almost hitting take profit. Remember, there is a little bit of spread, so let me double check on that with our MetaTrader setup. And yeah, it's almost there actually. The take profit is $3. So when we hit $3.10, we are, it's in the pocket. So what do we have next here? So how is everyone doing? I hope you have a great Tuesday. And for those who are new here, my name is Philip. And I have been working on this AI for traders since the beginning of this year. It's called Market Mentor AI. And it's a really nice tool to help you analyze markets and do better trading decisions. It also generates signals. So as you can see right now, it told me to go for this. What if I turn on this one?
Hello, Philip. Based on the current data and trend,
it
appears that the USD
it's a little bit better.
is in an upward trend.
Almost take profit.
The 5-minute data shows a series of higher highs and higher lows, indicating a bullish momentum.
Almost take profit.
The 1-hour data
also
confirms the bullish trend.
Let's go.
The price trading above
it's like
the
2 points.
Moving average and the RSI above 50. Considering the current scenario.
So again, we are in a bullish move, and the AI is suggesting that we go for buy around here. No, for sell. Bullish trend plus where it could be around take profit. Oh, but it's mistaking take profit for Fibonacci. It calculated from our hourly chart. So it's suggesting to go for buy. So let's do 58. So 58. So that's around here. Let's go for the buy. I think it's the pattern here seems to be maybe like that, but the AI is suggesting, it's also suggesting that we go to 6-1. Let's go for it before it flies away. So that's Canadian dollar, right? Canadian dollar. The spread is really high there. So you know what, let me put pending order here because we want to get a little bit of the spread. to our advantage. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna close the British. Oh, it's done. It's actually closed by itself. Nice. Okay. That's great. So we've got another pending trade here. And we'll see how that goes. And we've got some more signals. Let's go. Let's go for the Australian dollar here. That's awesome.
Hello, Philip. Based on the current trend and recent data, it appears that the AUD-USD pair is in a sideways consolidation phase. The price has been trading within a narrow range between 0.64211 and 0.64235 on the 1-hour chart. Considering the current market conditions, I would suggest waiting for a confirmed breakout above the resistance level at 0.64235 or below the support level at 0.64211 before entering a trade. This would help confirm the direction of the trend and potentially provide a better trading opportunity.
Okay. Hey boss, what's going on? I'm just looking at the data here, so it's just going to go for long or short here. Let's do both. Let's make both, you know, because they're both. What is that? That's the ODSD. Let's do both because it seems that it's, as it said, it's in sideways movement. So let's go in both directions and let's go take profit on the sell over here and sell over here. So let's see how we can operate this. So we decided to go for a little bit of bouncing over here. So we started here, going for take profit around here, small trade, and then another take profit here, sorry, here, as for the buy. So yeah, greetings from the Philippines. Hey, nice to I'm sending highs to Philippines, man. Yeah, I hope the weather is all good at your place, because here it's hot hell outside. I'm not even kidding. It's like I'm sweating. I'm just sitting here. I'm just literally like sweating. It's like a bath suit for me. Yeah. So we had another signal here. It was for the NZD USD. Let's take a look. What does the AI think about that?
Hello, Philip. Based on the data provided, it looks like there is a potential opportunity to open a trade for NZD USD. Considering the upward trend in the 1-hour chart, you may consider a long position at the current market price of around 0.5947. For your take profit level, you could consider setting it at the resistance level of 0.5952, which is the R2 Fibonacci level. This level represents a potential area of resistance where prices might encounter selling pressure. As for the
all the
stop
way
loss
up
level,
here,
you
okay.
can set it at the support level of 0.5944, which is the S1 Fibonacci level. This level represents a potential area of support where prices might find buying interest. Please note that this is just a suggestion based on the available data and market trends.
We'll see about that.
To do
Yeah.
your own analysis and consider your risk tolerance.
So AI is suggesting to go for a buy from current price. So that's around here. I'm gonna delete this one for the convenience here. Okay. Let me just delete this one. And it's suggesting to go for long here to here. So we did that. Let's see about that. Yeah, the good point here is, you know, MACD is crossing over here, but it didn't get any huge momentum, so it will probably cross again in the upper direction. The moving average of 200 is moving in upwards direction, and we do have some, you know, there is definitely some kind of a channel over here forming up, so we will see about that. Okay, that's good. So let's wait for some more signals. So how is it in Philippines, man? Is it all good? Got my coffee here. What is Tesla doing anyways? I wanted to take a look. I need to implement a search here. Guys, I have so many things to update here. My pipeline is literally full this week. I hope I'm gonna publish some more because there's literally so many updates.
What can I help you with?
So for example, a new update I'll have for you is to get more relevant news data. So it will be able to provide you with more information from the current market news, not only the economic calendar, but something more, let's say, readable. Then also new feature is it will be sped up a little bit as for the voice. So it will not be that slow and lazy. It will talk a little bit faster to get through the message a little bit faster. That's also good. What else do I have in there? Some minor, bugs and fixes, mostly on the mobile version. So the mobile version will now have full graph and will be basically available to be used as on computer. So if you have it on your mobile, you should be all set and good to go. Yeah, so there's plenty of things that's coming. Yeah, and I hope that maybe even this week I will get a new setup computer for the streaming, so it will get better. It will not lag and my camera will not go off so many times. The lighting will be fixed. I'll have some decoration behind me. Just trying to really make this interesting and most importantly, educational for everyone who's watching and who's looking into this. And remember, you can take a look at the AI for yourself. It's if you take a look at our profile here on TradingView, you can find all the information in there. You can use it for yourself. There is a free trial for 3 days, so you can give it a shot and yeah, test it out. And but I promise you, it's a really good tool and you will love it. I can't really imagine trading without it in any ways. Look, those are trades from yesterday, so forget about this one that was, hedge trade basically yielding zero. As you can see, we made $34.60 and we lost. I put buy and sell at the same time. But anyways, I don't even know why I did that. I don't kind of remember. But all of those trades, most of them were by my decision, but we were talking yesterday on the stream with the AI. So apart from this one, which is a little bit pity that it's hanging in there. Apart from that, it's really doing great. It's really awesome. So yeah, so do we have any more in no signals yet? So Tesla, I wanted to take a look at the graph a little bit bigger here. So let me go to 1 hour. Let me go to even 4 hours. Okay. So we are again in a correction phase. You think it will respect this downward momentum? Seems like there's plenty of room to grow now. So probably it's gonna do something like that before it bounces. What do you think? I'm no expert in stocks though, so it's just an idea. Let's ask the AI. Let me reload the data for it.
I'm moving back to hashtag TSLA. How may I assist you?
Let's go long term. What do you think is the chance to getting back to 260?
As an assistant, I cannot provide predictions or speculate on future prices. The market is influenced by numerous factors and can be highly unpredictable. It's important to do.
Yeah, but if you take a look at the data, what do you think?
Such as news, earnings reports.
Sometimes you have to be a little bit precise with the AI, like Tilly. Hey, listen.
Philip, based on the available data, it appears that the hashtag TSLA stock has been experiencing some volatility lately. The price has been fluctuating between the upper and lower bands of the Bollinger Bands indicator, with the RSI oscillating around the neutral zone. While past data can provide some insights, it's important to note that historical performance is not indicative of future performance. To assess the
Can you give me the spikes, the maximum and the lows that you can see in the data?
Market conditions, potential catalyst.
Yeah, this will analyze probably the last month, so it will be like up until now. Okay, so we do have some data coming in. So let's see about that. 22nd, so that's today, the spike.
Our system has identified a likely signal for USD CHF.
Mm-hmm.
Want to investigate?
153, so that's around here. Yeah, on the 3rd of August. So as you can see, it actually is, you know, the AI also is kind of telling us it's just fluctuating between those values. Basically, this zone is kind of the volatility right now. So we will see about that. So you got a signal here on Swiss franc. Let's go.
Moving to USD CHF.
And I'm actually in the long term now mode, so we will see what the AI will do with that. Let's put a long trade here. I mean long-term trade. Let's try. Let's see what do we have.
Hello, Philip. Based on the 4-hour data for USD CHF, we can see that the currency pair has been trading within a range between approximately 0.8767 and 0.8828. The RSI indicator is hovering around the neutral level of 50, indicating a lack of a clear trend. In terms of moving averages, the 50-day moving average, MA50, is...
We'll get back to it right away. Let me just show you the NZD USD. So the AI told us to go, sorry, USD CAD. USD CAD. So the AI told us to go long from here, and we could have taken a little bit of profit here. Because of the spread, I put it like over here. So there is the pending order still. That's okay. It's all right. Let's get back to the USD HF. USD CHF. Moving average. The MA is just suggesting bullish move indicating up momentum, but the signal line is still below. We're also going to consider the overall picture. There hasn't been a strong trend in the recent 4-hour data, and the price has been oscillating within the range. Therefore, it would be advisable to exercise caution and wait for clearer. Yeah. Okay. So as for the long term, could you recommend a good trade, a probable trade, you know, whether it's long or short, that makes sense given the data?
As an AI assistant, I cannot provide specific trade recommendations or give financial advice, but I can provide you with information.
It gives us the neutral sentiment as well.
Looking at the US.
Okay, that's okay. Let's go to the signal mode and let's generate a signal for the short term now. Hey Casey, how's it going? Thanks for the message, by the way. I'm gonna reply to you. I just go home, so after a busy day, quite. But I will definitely get back to you. And thanks for coming for the stream yesterday, playing from the recording. Can you prepare a trading plan for me? Thank you. For whatever reason, I couldn't push the button. Seems like there was maybe a little bit of bug. Anyways, let's get this signal we received over here on the Swiss franc. Let's go.
Of course, Philip. Based on the information provided, here is a suggested trading plan for USD CHF. 1. Entry price. Since the market is currently trading around 0.8797, I would suggest considering an entry price around this level. However, please note that market conditions can change rapidly, so it's important to monitor the price action closely before entering a trade.
Okay.
2. Take profit. As for the take profit level, based on the Fibonacci levels provided, you may consider setting a take profit level around 0.8800.
It's set.
This level.
Thanks, Maddie. It's all set. So we'll see about that. So as I said, guys, yesterday most of the trades, except for this one, which we are still holding here, Most of the trades were actually quite good. Look at it go. So this is, except for those two stocks, which are irrelevant because they were just against each other, yielding zero. You can see that the rest of the trades were actually good. So there was one Japanese, was one Swiss franc, one British pound, one Canadian dollar, and another British pound. And zero losses, except for this stock. But again, it's not important. Zero losses. It looks really good. I like it. That's awesome. So what's happening with today's trade? Oh, sorry, this trade is actually from today already. Sorry, this trade is already from today. So, are we moving anywhere? I'm telling you, I have to start streaming earlier because the markets in the evening are just so lazy. It's just like look, nothing's really happening in here. So you've got the NZD, which is going in the opposite direction as we wanted it to go, because the DI was suggesting to go up. There is maybe the crossing of the moving averages is playing against us here. But on the other hand, it seems like an upper channel is created over here with some decent stable lines, you know. Let me try to draw this instead of those wiggly drawings of mine. Let me try to be a little bit more precise. So it seems like we could get something like that, which is getting broken right now. And then we definitely do have something in here, so that's probably like that. I don't know, it seems like it should still try to do something in here. Although this is playing good in our holding trade here, which is this one. So that's good. Oh, look at those other trades go. So we've got another almost take profit here. That's good. Finally, some movement. So let's take a look at the Australian dollar. So we will leave it cooking here. Of course, I would be happy if it would go all the way down. All right, so the AI is giving us that it's moving in a consolidation phase here. So we put take profit over here. Let me double check on it with the spread. Australian dollar here. Yeah, so we are sitting at the take profit right now. So I'm going to close it because we are sitting at the take profit with the spread. So we got it, and we will now wait for the bounce to hit the upper line. Hopefully it will work out. It's what the AI told us. The AI gave us consolidation phase here. It was somewhere, I think somewhere in here. What is the... yeah, over here. Pair is sideways consolidation phase, so it should be good. We will see about that. Also, take a look at the Swiss franc. Swiss franc. It's pumping like hell, yeah. Okay, we are almost at take profit. I'm gonna probably... no, I'm not gonna close it now because we are just a little bit away from it. So given the spread, my broker gives me spread, which kind of is like this one. So we have take profit in here, and my spread is in here. That's quite unfair, but it is what it is. Should I close it? No, we will leave it there. It seems to be pumping into retesting this zone, right? So there's been multiple tries, and there is still no clear... could be like that, but it seems to be more like that. If you take a look at the two spikes in a row that has been, you know, it actually aligns. All right, so probably quit. Probably quit. All right, let's quit. All good. So you got it covered. Oh, so many signals. What's going on? Let's go. British pound. Today is rapid fire trading. Let's go. So how is everyone doing? All good?
Hello, Philip. Based on the data provided, I see that the GBP USD pair is currently trading around 1.27374. Considering the recent price action, the pair has been trading in a relatively narrow range. The RSI indicator on the 5-minute chart is at 50.97, indicating a neutral sentiment.
Okay, Japanese is showing 3-minute chart short price target. Okay, let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at that, Casey. Oh, it's actually giving us the signal as well. Let's go. Let's give it a try. Let's go for the Japanese. I'm really curious about that one. Let me also double check on this trade. Just want to see what's going on. So we're waiting for the retracement here. And this is the NZD is just killing the game for us.
Hello, Philip. Based on the current trend, it looks like there may be an opportunity to open a trade. However, please note that I cannot provide financial advice.
Sounds reasonable.
I can give you some information
Sounds reasonable. I see what you're getting here.
Looking at the 5-minute data, the USD JPY pair is currently trading around
getting into this zone.
145.762. The RSI is at 45.67, indicating that the market is not strongly overbought or oversold. The moving average indicators, MA50 and MA200, are showing a slight upward trend. Based on this information, you could consider opening a long trade, buy, if you believe the price will continue to rise. However, it's important to perform your own analysis and consider other technical indicators and market conditions before making a decision.
I have no clue what to do with that.
If you decide to open a long trade, you may consider setting your entry price.
What do you think about a short trade? Should we sell? Maybe there's more potential for sell.
Loss levels, you could consider using the Fibonacci.
I don't know. It seems maybe there's more potential for sell. Let's give it a shot.
Hello, Philip. Based on the current market data and trend analysis, it appears that there may be a potential opportunity.
Yeah, I think so.
Sell in USD JPY. However, please note that I cannot provide financial advice, but I can give you some information to consider.
But it's like telling me if you believe, you know, it's not really decide. It seems like it seems like, and then it's giving us 730. So it's actually suggesting we go. So we leave that. We leave that. I get your idea, Casey. We will monitor that, but we will leave it for now. The first idea was to go for long, which is actually in favor right now. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Wow, that's a really great dump here. Huh, nice. Remember, guys, to give thumbs up to the stream so we can fly the rocket up. And it also makes me happy and makes me do more streams. Now, I love this community, guys. You're awesome. Thanks for being here and watching this with me together, being part of it. So what do we have here? We do have sideways Fibonacci. The actual Fibonacci levels are, if you believe, continue higher, break above 8,525. Consider entering a long trade. Your entry price could be, to manage your risk, you could set a stop loss below the support level. I see. Yes. Hey, only one Jess. Absolutely. You can, if you take a look at my profile here in TradingView, you can read all the data. It's available to everybody. You can test it. There's 3 days free trial. I'm the person behind it who built this, who code this, who is working with the AI. Yeah, and I'm also a trader, so I'm trying to combine those things together. Software engineering and trading. It's a wild ride, man. But it takes so much time. Anyways. I wanted to ask here, prepare a trading scenario that would accept a long trade, as in buy. Because I want to do buy here. I think like the potential to do a little bit of pullback here is.
Based on the provided data and Fibonacci levels, I would suggest a long trade scenario, buy, if the price of EUR/USD breaks above the R1 level,
which is already
0.8510.
Let's go.
In this scenario, I would recommend the following course of action. Entry price, 1.08511, take profit level, 1.08548, R2 level, stop loss level, 1.08487,
That's a really micro trade, but
level.
yeah, we can take
Please
advantage
note
of
that
that.
these levels are based
Let's
on the
go.
Fibonacci levels and should serve as a guideline.
Mm-hmm.
It's essential to monitor the market closely and adjust your trade.
Right, so we've got trade from here to
conditions may
here.
change.
Just a little trade for us. Something like that, yeah. Yeah, we'll see about that. So what do we have? Let's take a look at the Canadian dollar, because I'm really curious. Still haven't opened.
Ready to return to USDCH.
It's really funky. It just since the AI told us to go long, it actually is a little bit high. It's not that much, I guess. It's 30 points. Not bad for this short wiggle. So what else do we have here? Then we have the Australian dollar, which we decided to go as the AI told us.
How can I assist you?
We have a long position open, and we are aiming for take profit at 0.64218. What do you think about this position? Let's give it a shot what the AI thinks about that. Yeah, only one, Jazz. Yes, go ahead. And if you come across anything, just text me, message me, add me on Instagram. Do me a favor, give me their follow, and I'm trying to be there. What about gold pair? Do you have it? Yes, absolutely. Let's take a look at gold. Let me just go through this.
Considering that the price is currently below your take profit level, it is a good sign that the market may move in your favor. However, market conditions can change quickly, so it's important to monitor the price action closely.
Okay, so the nearest resistance is 28, so we should be okay, I see. So we should probably close this when it gets to 0 something, maybe. I like gold and US30. Okay, let's take a look. So for indexes, as you can see, we got plenty of this. We've got the most 7 popular Forex pairs. Then we've got some crypto. We do have some indexes, some commodities, and then plenty of stocks. And I can expand this, as you people are asking me to give more data into it. I'm working on it. It takes some energy, time, and money to put this together. But yeah, if you ask for something, I can definitely work on it to add it. So we wanted to take a look at gold, right? Let's go. Let's go for gold. Gold. Prepare a really short trading scenario for me. Thank you. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what the AI thinks about this.
Sure, Philip. Based on the current data for gold, it appears that the price is consolidating within a narrow range. The RSI indicator is around 51.91, indicating neutral momentum. Additionally, the Bollinger Bands are relatively close together, suggesting limited volatility. Given the current market conditions, it would be prudent to wait for a clear breakout or reversal signal before considering a trade. This would provide a stronger indication of the direction in which the price is likely to move. If a breakout occurs to the upside and the price closes above the resistance level at 1,898.287, it may indicate a bullish continuation. So
as you can see, the AI is suggesting in like short period of time, so we're talking about probably this window, I guess. There is an indication if it breaks above approximately this high. So there is the high, of this, and it kind of makes sense because it seems like there is a resistance zone over here. So if it breaks above, it would suggest to hit a bullish momentum, but it's really like a small one going all the way maybe to like 8, 9, 8. It's really small area here. But you get the point, right? It actually makes sense because if you can imagine crossing this line, also the moving averages will cross up again. And also it's given more into this bullish widening angle here. So I think it all makes sense. What do you say? Yeah. So guys, if you really like this, give me thumbs up. And remember, check out our profile here on TradingView and all the details to how to use this AI tool, how to get your hands on it. Everything is in there. And we do streams I'm trying to stream at least 3 times a week. And lately I've been doing it kind of quiet at night, you know, where I live, it's already 8 p.m. And it sucks. The markets are slow. And as you can see, the trades are not as agile as I want them to be. So I'll try to move the trading into more volatile times, like 2:30 p.m. for me. That's you know, where markets in America open, and also most of the news are released in America, so that's like always the highest volatility. Yeah, thank you very much, Adrian 98. Hey, glad you like it. Yeah, take a look. Definitely, I'm working on this project. By the way, you know, I think it's a really good project. It makes all of the sense in the world, and I'm expanding as I go, and I'm also looking for investors now. I do have some first, you know, open talks, but I think it's really good software, and I think it makes sense, and I want to expand. So just putting it out here, you know, there's no secrecy to be made. It's like, you know, it's definitely good AI, I think, and I'm trying to give it as much of my knowledge as I can. Can I do this in here? What did I do? Symbol search. Can I change it here? I actually can, right? I can go to different charts as well. So anyways, thank you for this. Does the AI require TradingView plans? Can it run on free basic accounts? Yes. So there is TradingView. By the way, guys from TradingView, you're awesome. Thank you for supporting this. And by the way, we had a podcast with TradingView. So if you're more interested about how this evolved, how it was created, we had a 1.5 hour of talk with Sheplik from TradingView. Awesome guy. Thank you for having me, by the way. And yeah, you can kind of get a backstory, and it was really amazing time. But back to your question, no, it doesn't require you to have TradingView plans, although I recommend them because they are one of the best companies in the world for charting solutions and overall trading, market news analysis, and so on. And this AI is using the graphs they have as part of the visual, but you don't have to link your account. You actually cannot do it here. I think we haven't, you know, integrated this into it. Maybe it's gonna be something in the future, you know, when we talk. Who knows? I would love that. That would be really amazing if you could hook it to your TradingView account like fully, and also do like trading in the chart. That would be so crazy good. But yeah, we got to talk about this. So Sheplik, if you're listening, let me know if we can talk about this integration. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is for the gold. We've got another signal for euro dollar. Do we have it open? Yes, we do. Let's take a look.
What would... Hello, Philip. Based on the current trend and market conditions, I would like to suggest a potential trading scenario for you. EUR/USD has been trading in a range between 1.08452 and 1.08564 according to the recent data.
Yeah, that's the trade we have open, so it actually suggests, again, the same trade we have. Oh, we have it there. It's all set. It's offline. So guys, I think I will leave it for tomorrow here. Trades are set. I think they're doing pretty good. Let's take a look at what we've done today. So we have 3 trades, successful trades on the record. And as you can see, those 2 stocks, I've talked about them today many times. Just don't take a look at them because it's been some kind of a misunderstanding here. So as you can see, they yield 0. As you can see, since yesterday, we have absolute strike. Like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 successful trades so far, giving us $25 total in plus. We've got 1 misfortune over here. We will wait how it goes. And those 3 are set. The take profits are there. I'm gonna be a little bit wild here, and I will allow myself not to put any stop losses here, but we will check with them tomorrow, so we will definitely have them under control. How can I get this and support you in return? You know what? Text me in person here on TradingView, or hit me up on Instagram, and we can definitely talk. And I'm open to any one of you guys. If you want to talk in person, just hit me up here on TradingView. I'm available, and I'm a normal human being like everyone is. So, you know, don't be afraid. And it seems like this is about to hit take profit really soon. All right, guys, lovely to be here with you today. Thanks everyone for coming. It's gonna do it for me, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I'm gonna leave it here for a little bit before we close the stream. Okay, talk to you again really soon.